We are at round one in Las Vegas, Nevada. This round one is at the local mall. It's about 20 minutes if you take a lift from downtown. And it is a very nice round one. I love the lighting, very bright. This is just a walkthrough of all the claw machines. I'm not playing it quite yet. I'm just walking through so you can see all the cool plush prizes. This was recorded in January 2023, so even though this is Las Vegas, all the round ones tend to have similar prizes. So, you know, even if you're not near Las Vegas, but you're near a different one, the prizes should be very similar. You see those yellow plush on the playing field. Those aren't the plush I mean, you want to win that, but you trade, it says on it, just like prop plush, give it to the staff to get your big prize. I've been around one lots of times, and this is the first time I've seen them use the prop plush, so I don't know, not for sure why. Maybe because like those background ones are too big to actually fit through the chute. I'm not for sure. So we got some, besides claw machines, there's a couple other different more skill games too. And then here's a whole separate row of these smaller, I like to call them baby claw machines with cute little keychain plush. These are quite winnable. They're definitely like, not everyone's winnable, but you see the empty ones, though you find which one is winnable and then you get them all. Um, as you can see, people have done, and we do play and win a bunch of these. I do love the small claw machines. I think they were like 9 credits, and I think for how much we spent, that equaled like 90 cents. When you put money on a round one card, it just depends like how many credits and how much money. Like the more money you put on, the cheaper the credits are. So I can't really give you a price comparison. Round one, price-wise, tends to be the most expensive out of all the arcade chains. Like, but they do have the nicest prizes, in my opinion. Like, look at these cute jellyfish plush, so adorable. So if you're good at the claw machines, the price is well worth it. And we like the claw machines, but we tend to prefer the arcade games a lot more because my husband is very good at winning us tickets. I'll have a separate video showing the prize room and what we won. And so yeah, we have claw machines, and then they're just like adorable Japanese themed plush. If you're not familiar, round one is owned by a Japanese company, so all the prizes are imported from Japan, and they do have awesome prizes. And this is one of those ping pongs. You want to scoop up the ping pong and hope it drops into the collared cupcake circle. And then, so some of these, you know, there's no prizes because someone else has won them. So if you ever go to a claw machine that someone's won the prize, but it's the plush that you want, you just grab a staff and they'll restock the machine for you. Right now, as you can see, there's barely anyone around, which is totally great for me recording. It was like close to opening. I think this was noon on a Tuesday, so no one had really got there yet. There was staff walking around getting the machines ready, I'm sure, for when it got busy later that night. You see how some of those sliding where you slide your card is flashing red. That means it's not working. There was a lot of machines not working. I think it was just the timing of the day. There's, like I said, there was employees walking around, hopefully fixing the machines. But it didn't bug me because every machine I wanted to play was working. And it's just, there's the employee right there checking all the machines. And just so much nice plush. I don't have I'm from St. Louis. We don't really have any round ones in St. Louis. We were supposed to get one, but then COVID happened and it fell through. So I'm not really an expert on all these like plush names or anything. I'm sure if I went to round one more, I'd take an effort to learn all these names. I know they're all like brand name plush series from Japan, and I'm just don't know the names besides, you know, Hello Kitty. That's the only one I can tell you. And anyway, but I do love them. I love all these plush. They're adorable. It's definitely awesome prizes. And as you can see, some of the machines are empty because people win them. My niece Haley loves this game. She's really good at it. You need to like stop the collar on it, and I'm just not good at that.